So you want to find the third floor. Alright. So, initially, obviously I was just playing Dead by Daylight, going after the survivors and stuff. And all of a sudden, this little thing happened. Pay attention to this. So, that little light allows the nurse to just come to the third floor, quote unquote third floor. Obviously, it's not rendered, but I find it super fucking interesting, especially with the fact that you can move around this whole place, and obviously there is some structures that used to be here. I mean, why would you render the inside like this? I don't understand. I mean, maybe somebody can explain that, but I find it super interesting, especially if you know your Day by Daylight history with Larry's, where there's a clip of Ots Darva and he's running around with windows of opportunity, and like way up there's like a window vault that is out of reach and nobody could get to, and I'm assuming with all these limited structures that are still visible, there might have been an actual third floor at some point. Just a little food for thought. I think it's really interesting. But I definitely think if you want to replicate this, you can. It's very easy. Just be aware you will fall through the floor. Like right here, I fell through the floor. So, I was trying to get back up. You can't. You need to use this one light as a guide. And if you want to find this spot, obviously, it's right by an exit gate. Larry's is always going to shift, but, see this room, right by an exit gate. You have the skyline right there, too. So, if you have the opportunity to do it, if you want to try to, find more spots, maybe there's more spots. I don't know. And I'm sure Behavior didn't know this either. So, fuck around, have fun. Do it while you still can, before it gets patched. I think it's really interesting, though, especially when you have little glitches like this where you can see a little bit more of a map. Obviously, we got mods nowadays, but I think finding these little things naturally is like really cool. It's a little gem, a little nugget. So I suggest y'all definitely fuck around, mess around with this shit. It's fun. I'm gonna let the video play out, and I will see you in the fog.